Hey YouTube, just want to do a quick bike check video looking at a fun cycle. Pretty neat bike, single speed, coaster brake up front, and you steer it by turning your body, shifting your body weight, and that is how you steer it. Oh, pretty neat bike. I've had a little fun with it. You wouldn't think you could flip it pretty easy, but I was going downhill on it with some gravel. Went to turn it real quick and the wheel slid for a little bit, and then they gripped and went over right on my head. And the funny part was, it was at a electronics show I was at. We were setting up like a flea market, but selling electronics, and a crowd of people were watching, so they got a good laugh out of it. Anyway, just a little walk around this thing. They make a smaller one for kids. This is an adult size. I forget the name of the company that sells them, but they're around like 500 bucks. Crazy what these things cost. Anyway, just a quick video. Thanks for watching.